How to disable auto zoom in Android. Hello everybody. If you guys are also wondering how, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process. So what you may do for that is go ahead and access your settings, your device's settings for that. Open it up, and once you open up your settings, you may scroll down from the given options and head over to the option called accessibility and tap on it. Now, once you tap on accessibility, you can find different options. You may look out for the option called visibility enhancement. Tap on it. The option may vary depending upon device, or you may just look out for option that includes the zoom feature. So once you are here, you may just scroll down from the given options and you should be finding a section with your size and zoom. And once you do so, you can look out for magnification, tap on it, and you can, if this magnification shortcut is turned on, you can just go ahead and turn it off. If you'd like to disable screen zoom, you can head over to screen zoom and you can just go ahead and disable the screen zoom, like how much you prefer. Like if you do not want it, you can select minus, like use this button to minus, and you can scroll to the plus as well. And that is it. So this is how you basically disable auto zoom in Android. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.